Hey Internet, thanks for tuning in today. It seems like just a few months ago I was uploading the last E30 update video, but in reality it's been a couple of years. So I just wanted to make a quick video today here on the banks of the mighty Tennessee River to just give everybody a little update on what's been going on behind the scenes this whole time. First of all, if you're one of the early subscribers, thank you. It's hard to know exactly what to expect when you put yourself out on the internet for the first time, but those first likes, subscribes, and comments inspired me to see where things would go. Obviously, there hasn't been any fresh content in a while, but that's changing now. If you're just now discovering E30 Update, this was the perfect time. If you haven't already, click the like and subscribe things and get ready because I've got some big news. The big news is E30 Update is not just a hobby anymore, it's officially a business. It's crazy for me to think about, but I've now got investors and partners and printers and taxes and accountants, and we're taking this thing to the next level. Yeah, we're required to use ridiculous business jargon now, so. I've been a car guy since I could crawl, but when I fell in love with the E30 over a decade ago, I never imagined that I'd be turning that casual hobby into a business. So I'm super thrilled to now be able to use my skills to bring something I'm super passionate about to a larger and equally passionate community. Next, and maybe more importantly, a huge thanks to our first few customers for believing in some randos on the internet and putting up with our initial website hiccups. There's just no way to describe how grateful we are for these first few orders. You guys have really given me, us, the courage and motivation to keep pushing forward and make this happen. I've also got to express my appreciation for all my friends and especially my family who have been so supportive over these past several years as this has gone from a random project to a full-fledged business that consumes incredible amounts of time. I also want to say thanks for all the positive feedback on the videos so far. I try to respond to them all, but I don't know how long I'll be able to keep that up. And we've definitely taken note of the thoughtful critiques. We're always open to making improvements. And last but not least, a big thanks to you simply for watching this video. I don't know exactly how the algos work, but I'm pretty sure just watching this video helps. So thank you. And that's about it for today. We have a few new products on the site now, and we've got a lot more coming. And if you're watching this, you're probably an E30 owner like me, or at least a vintage car enthusiast. So from one enthusiast to another, thanks for tuning in, and hope you check back here on our other social media platforms, of course e30update.com, and help us create any part you can imagine. Thanks, and see you next time.